What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As I had mentioned before, I want to do a lot more videos with just like DIYs and stuff. So first on the list is my buddy wanted to turn these into a Laker colorway. I mean, I think we can do it, but without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to need to do is to make sure to acetone and clean the I guess Volt Green surface. So just, you know, with anything like a cotton swab works. I'm actually going to need some acetone. I'm going to pop it up and get to work. So as I was cleaning, I realized that the fabric on this is kind of like a mesh. Really easy to get dirty, and it's pretty thin, so it could seep through. So you can see that I took all the Air Jordan logos off. So we're gonna go ahead and tape it so it doesn't bleed through and kind of just makes a mess. So the next step is going to be grabbing some paint. I use Alpha 6 Corp. They're actually our paint sponsor. The thing that I do like about this, and not just saying it, is that their paint is really thick and it has like a matting in it. So you'll see when I'm done, the design will be more matted than glossy instead of adding like, you know, a duller. Of course, heat gun to dry it up, and we'll continue the process. So they look pretty good. They look matted enough. The purple's right on point. Show you guys really quick. The next step is going to be using a mini iron and a vinyl. I had these pre-made. I know someone that sells them, Sophie Sophs on Instagram. She has a whole bunch of stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and add some heat, press it down. It's like it needs heat and it needs a little bit kind of cold, so that's why I kind of pressed down. As you can see, it'll look like this, and this is the finished product, guys. Literally, these are them. I would say a solid 8 out of 10. I like them. I'd wear them. What do you guys think?